Mishnah base. Haroya Kohen Gadol Kashel Koreh. Someone who watches the Kohen Gadol in the Ezras Noshim whilst he's laning, Eino Roya Par V'Soy Nisrofim. He's not able to watch the par and the soy being burnt. Why? Because these two activities happen at the same time. They're simultaneous. Whilst the Kohen Gadol is reading from the Torah, as we described in the last Mishnah, at that time the par and the soy are being burnt, which we described in the last period. So they, however, are burnt chutz Yerushalayim, chutz l'shalosh machanos, and therefore, since practically these places are so far apart, the person cannot be at the same place, both places at the same time. So therefore, haroya Kohen Gadol k'shel koreh eino roya par v'soy nisrofim. Not because he's not allowed to, but practically it's impossible. For haroya par v'soy nisrofim, when a person who is observing the par and the soy being burnt, eino roya Kohen Gadol k'shel koreh. He's not going to see the Kohen Gadol when he is reading, because he can't be there. V'lo mipnei she'eino rishayim, like I just explained, not because he's not permitted, and because it's far away, and both activities are happening at the same time. Just one point on this Mishnah, and that is this. When it says lo mipnei she'eino rishayim, I might have thought that it could be because he's not permitted to do so. Why? Because there is a halacha of ein ma'avirin ala mitzvahs. You're not allowed to bypass a mitzvah. And since watching the Kohen Gadol, for example, lane, or watching the par and the soy being burnt is an avoda, I might have thought berovam hadras melech, that doing that mitzvah berovam hadras melech, a person is not allowed to go and leave that mitzvah and go and do another mitzvah. Kamash Malon, the chiddush is that he's not actually osik b'mitzvah. He's only a roeh b'mitzvah. He's not actively participating, rather he's watching. And therefore, if it was physically possible to go to watch one and then halfway through to go and watch the other one, that would be fine. Because it's not a problem of ein madrin on mitzvahs, because he's not osik in the mitzvah, he's only watching it. Therefore, the Mishnah tells me, not that he can't, not that he's not permitted to do so, that it's just not practically possible for him to do so. That is the end of Mishnah base.